Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for your half-yearly exam. First, let's create a solid study plan. Begin by outlining all the science topics you need to cover. Then, allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring you dedicate more time to areas you find challenging. Gather all your textbooks, notes, and any other study materials you'll need. A well-structured plan is your first step towards success, helping you manage your time effectively and reduce stress. Next, let's focus on active learning. Don't just passively read. Engage with your material. Highlight key terms and concepts as you read, and then summarize chapters in your own words. This process helps solidify your understanding. Creating flashcards for definitions, formulas, and diagrams is also incredibly effective. Additionally, try drawing concept maps to visualize how different ideas connect, which can be a powerful memory aid. Now, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Regularly solve practice questions from your textbooks and any available past exams. Don't just get the answer. Review your incorrect responses to understand where you went wrong. A great technique is to explain complex concepts aloud, either to a friend or even to yourself, as if you were teaching it. Finally, conduct self-quizzes to actively test your recall and identify areas needing more attention. For your final preparations and exam day, prioritize rest. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to ensure you're well-rested and alert. On the morning of the exam, eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and maintain focus. Arrive at the exam venue a good 15 minutes early, allowing yourself to settle in calmly. Remember to read all instructions very carefully before you begin answering any questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.